What?
Ed Sheeran to Beauty and the Beast.
But the dance moves that we just done go perfectly with that song.
No,
Okay.
I have a better idea.
Really?
Young Money.
Why not?
No. Look, none of this Justin Bieber stuff.
Fine.
Is it too late now? No, sorry. Yes, it is. Right now. Okay.
What do you say then?
Right, Spotify. They got a shuffle. Here we go. Shuffle.
Don't look.
This will work. Oh, I reckon the dance will go perfect with this song. Let's go. Can we clap your hands? Yeah, that's it. Let me hear you. At the back as well. Here we go. You ready? You ready? I think you're ready. Let's go. Here we go.
That ice cold Michelle, fight for that white gold. This one for them hooligans, them hooligans straight to be smiling, smiling, living it up in the city. Got chucks on with Sailor Moon, gotta kiss myself, so pretty. I shot the police and the firemen. Like a dragon ball retirement. Girl, said you hallelujah. Girl, said you hallelujah. Girl, said you hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Don't believe me, just watch.
Oh.
Okay, and you come with me. Okay. Right. Okay.
My friend, you're an actor, yes? You're an actor, aren't you? You're an actor. What are you doing? And I just want you to say, Beauty and the Beast! So when you say, ladies and gentlemen, repeat, ladies and gentlemen. Ready? Say, tonight. Say, tonight. Actually, no, say, today. We are going to make the best show with the best actors, the best singers, and the best dancers. Yes. Beauty and the Beast! Yeah! Okay, look, ladies and gentlemen, just for you, all the way from the audio, I want you to give yourselves and your friends a big round of applause for Beauty and the Beast!
Tell us all.